In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close a position on Exness, whether you are completely new to the platform or you already have a trading experience. Knowing how to properly choose a trade is a key part of managing risk and staying in control of your strategy. I will guide you through everything step by step, so by the end of the video, you will feel confident doing it on your own. First of all, open your trading platform on your desktop. This is where all your trades are managed, so make sure the platform is fully loaded and easy to see while you are trading. Now, next, navigate to the Trades or Open Positions section. This area shows all of your currently active orders in the market. Take a moment here to review your open trades and decide which position you want to close. Always double check, because closing the wrong position can affect your trading plan. So once you found the correct trading plan, correct trade, you have a few ways to close it. You can click the X icon next to the order right here, or you can right click on the trade and choose close order from the menu. If you are using MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, simply double click the order and then press close. After that, confirmation window will usually pop up right here. This step is important because it makes sure you really want to close the position, and the trade will be closed immediately. Once the position is closed, it will disappear from your open trades and move into your trade history. So here you can see it at this section closed. This confirmed that the order is no longer active and has been successfully processed by the server. Getting comfortable with this process will make managing your trades much smoother and less stressful. Being able to close a position quickly and correctly is essential for good risk management and long-term trading success. So this is it for today's video. So thanks for watching today's guide on how to close a position on Exness. If it was helpful to you, consider to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.